Hey guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to make slime. All you need is something good like this. It could be atoms going thin, tied in the bottom of a cup. Let's get ready. Sorry, I forgot about the spoon. So what you're going to be doing is pouring in your glue. 2 cups, and I'll see you in the next shot. My bad guys, I said 2 cups. And then what you want to do is add your tie. So that's what we're going to be doing right now. Oh shoot, I think I put a little too much, but you know. And what you want to do now is mist it. Just keep on making. See, look, it already feels slimy. Oh, look at this. It's starting to turn into slime already. Look at this slime, guys. And want me to tell you how you know it's finished? How you know it's finished is just to stop sticking into the bowl and everywhere. I'll see you in the next piece. What you want to do is keep mixing it until it stops sticking to the bowl. So that's what I'm going to do right now. Where's the camera holder? Like, he never comes since I started YouTube. Hold on, guys. What you want to do now is just keep playing with it until it keeps getting sticky. That's what I'm going to do. Hold on. And that's how you make your own homemade slime. Bye guys.